Tuesday. It is Brooke with Re-Fabbed, and I'm excited because we're gonna craft today. So that's what I'm excited about. We're gonna get to craft and do something fun. But I'm also excited because we're gonna make spring carrots, okay? And that is just fun to do, okay? Carrots are so much fun. I've always been obsessed with making carrots. I've made them about a million different ways. I don't know what it is about a carrot. In real life, they're not that pretty, but I don't know. I really like making carrots. They're fun. Maybe it's because they're easy. I don't know. But anyway, I found these carrot-shaped gift bags at the Dollar Tree. There's probably been people crafting with them. I haven't seen any of it, but I'm sure there are. But anyway, we're gonna be playing with these today. There's 2 of them. I don't know if I'm gonna do both. We'll just have to see how the day goes. Okay, so lots of y'all said y'all grabbed these up from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so you know how we're always saying every Dollar Tree is different, because it is. I went to the Dollar Tree today and it was not the same one I usually go to. It was actually a bigger one. They didn't have any Easter stuff hardly, literally. They did not have like any wood cutouts, anything like that. I'm like, what the heck? So I understand that sometimes they don't have everything. Okay, so here is the carrot. Now okay, so it's a drawstring and whatever. I'm not gonna use it that way today. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I tell you what, I don't want it like this just because I don't want this bright green. That's not the style I'm going for. I'm kind of going for a more muted style, okay? For the top. I'm gonna leave the bottom the same because it's just super cute. But we're gonna take the top and we're gonna do a little something different. So what I did is I have this burlap. I've had this forever. And I found it in my craft room, which was a miracle in and of itself. That's why I'm never in there. I promise I will be one of these days, but who knows. Anyway, so I got this and I thought this would look better with this color of, because this is like a orange burlap and it's kind of a muted orange, and I thought these 2 colors went so good together. So we're just gonna cut along the bottom line. Listen, I decide as I go. If you didn't know this, I decide as I go. I grabbed these scissors because I thought, oh, those will be a dandy. Well, are they going to cut? That's the $1 million question here. Okay, they are. Okay, so we're gonna cut this off. So now we got a V. We're not gonna have the same look that this had, and it will no longer have the drawstring, which is totally fine. We don't need that. I think I'm gonna cut this into little strips to make it like the fronds. Y'all were telling me what the top of the carrot was, and it is fronds, and I didn't know that. So cool. So I found this in my craft room. In fact, I found this, I found some bags, and I found some old fabric that I could use inside my carrot because I didn't know how much I would need, okay? So we are going to start with this. It's just some old, literally I think it came from a pillow somewhere along the way. I keep all this random stuff all the time. And we're just gonna put it down in there, okay? We're just gonna put it down in there. And we'll see if we need more because we're obviously gonna do it up like this, but I think it needs to be a little longer, so we're gonna need just a little bit more. So let's grab a Dollar Tree bag. Just grab whatever you have, seriously. So right here, we've got this all done up like this, and then we are going to tie this right here. Now this is a pretty quick one. So I might do both of them. We're gonna tie it with some twine. Oh, for heaven's sakes. For heaven's sake. Why? These are scissors that are actually good scissors. Why are they being like this? I bet one of my kids got a hold of them. So here's this. Now, this is definitely not the end by any means, but we got a little carrot started up in here. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna cut them up like this, just literally cutting up this burlap into little strips to make the fronds. And I feel really, really smart, and it's all because of y'all that I even know these are called fronds. So I'm gonna just kind of bunch them up together like this. We're just gonna see how this goes. This might be a bad idea, I'm not sure. yet. I'm gonna go ahead and get a few more cut. So anyway, I got some longer ones and some shorter ones. So I knew I would probably need to open it up to stick them in there, but I didn't want it all to fall out while it was laying here. So I just kind of tied it up. That's all. You can easily take it out. All right, so we've got some stuffing and a Dollar Tree bag down in here because we are very fancy. And then I'm gonna take some of these little strips of burlap and stick it down in there. See, can you already tell how cute this is gonna look? And we're just kind of sticking, oopsie daisy. This is like me just literally rolling with it, flying by the seat of my pants, not having a clue what I'm doing till we get there. I do see I'm gonna need more big strips. I want some of the little strips to stick out too, but I don't, but I want some to be bigger and some to be smaller. So what I'm doing is I'm just literally sticking them around down in here. There's no real rhyme or reason, and I'm gonna pull some of them out too, okay? This is gonna look so, I kind of feel a primitive vibe here, okay? Yes! For anybody who missed the first part of my video, this is what I started with, and it's from the Dollar Tree. It's a pack of 2. I cut this part off, and now we are filling the top. After we filled it with some bags and different stuff to fluff it up, we are now filling the top with pieces of green burlap. I'm gonna add one more. So I've got some little, I've got some pieces that are cut shorter and some that are longer. It's kind of got a primitive look. And then we're gonna tie a piece of twine around it, and then we are gonna add some ribbon. This is what it's looking like so far. How cute. Really, seriously, y'all, look, it's as wild as it can be, kind of like me. It kind of looks like my hair, wild as it can be, but this is so cute. Okay, so that was super easy. Now, I've got this ribbon. It's from Hobby Lobby at one point in time. It doesn't even have anything on it because it came in like one of those packs with a lot of really cute neutral ribbons, but look, we're gonna do like a little, kind of like the Re-Fabbed bow, but with one type of ribbon. Does that make sense? So let's just see what we can do here. We're just gonna crisscross the same ribbon like this. I have to cut 4 strips, just like that. Take a piece of twine. These scissors work good, thankfully. Twist it around, tie it in the middle. Oops, it broke. That's okay, still got a little piece hanging. So tie it. Then we have this, which is just adorable. I just wanted more than one little piece, so we just made a little bow like this. Nothing, I mean, definitely nothing over the top here. And we are gonna stick it right here where we put the twine. And we're just gonna tie it with the little extra piece of twine that was left on there so it'll stay put. And you could always put like a little button in the middle or something if you wanted to, with a piece of hot glue or whatever. Oopsie, come on. Okay, let me get this. And then you can kind of fluff it out. Oh, that's cute. But look, y'all, how cute! Ah, how dang cute is this? So dang cute. Y'all need to share this with your friends because I guarantee you got some friends that would love to do this. And how cute. So it comes in a set of 2 for $1.25 because it did go up to $1.25, but that's okay, that's still cheap. So for $1.25 you can get 2 of these. And you know, you can make so many of these and lay it around in your little tiered trays. I wish I could lift this tray. Let me see if I can show y'all this tray beside me. Got kind of a mess over here, but look, see, like a tray like that, like how dang cute would it be to have like a little carrot, you know, mixed in with that? How cute! I didn't even get to talk very long because it was a quick craft. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thank y'all, and y'all have a fantastic night. Bye, guys.